Hmm. One is ready. Then it is not ready. Okay. What is the date? Hmm. So now it may be taken to uh, today 15. So it may be taken on 23rd. No, 23rd for judgment. Right? Right. Okay, that ready matter. अच्छा. Oh, okay. I have seen it. In fact, both are for judgment. Okay. So from there, they put both of them for judgment of credit. नहीं, अगर now let it go on that. Otherwise, judgment is ready. But who are the lawyers? Ah, so those are local lawyers. Hmm. But we just look at and I put this ready MSCP 123rd for judgment. Okay. Shall we start with it? Okay.
मांगीलाल नागजीभाई बंजारा
એ આવે છે સાહેબ રસ્તામાં જ છે
रामोती तानाजी
ના 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 સાહેબ એવું નથી
Cannot be provided.
મહેસાણાથી આવે છે ને એટલે સાહેબ થોડું લાંબ મોડું
Is it out of India?
નહીં સાહેબ ઇન્ડિયા છે
Out of India?
નહીં 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 સાહેબ
એ સાહેબ આપવાનો નથી બેસવામાં આજે એની મુદત છે કાલે અમે એ ફરિયાદ હતો અમે આરોપીમાં હતા અમે કાલે અપીલ રહ્યા પાછળ છે એટલે આજે એની મુદત છે મહેસાણામાં એ પોતે આરોપી છે મહેસાણામાં એટલે આજે અમને તારીખ તપાસ દાદા છે તમે ચાલે એટલે અમે કીધું અમારે ત્યાં હિંમતરાવ મુદત છે અપીલની એટલે અમારે અને અમને 28/6 આપી છે એટલે આજે આવવાનો નથી સાહેબ ભલે
થઈ છે સાહેબ એ નીકળી ગયા છે કે હું આવું છું એટલે આમ કહી દીધું છે
Okay. When king will arrive over here?
સાહેબ પૂછી લઉં ખાલી કોન્ટેક્ટ કરી લઉં
So keep it aside.
હા
धीरेश कुमार प्रवीणभाई शाह
સાહેબ આ કેસમાં ગઈ મુદત 2/5/10
One. Accused is present.
ના નથી રિપોર્ટ આપજો.
What was the status? Yes. Look at the last date. What was there? Hmm. After 2 days. Achha, has he paid the deposit?
ના એ પૈસા 10,000 રૂપિયા ભરી દઈ બાકી ફાઇનલ રકમ છે 5 તારીખે બાકીની રકમ ભરી દઈશું. શ્યોર શ્યોર 5 બે કાલે 6 છે સાહેબ.
Okay. What is the deposit amount?
16,000 રૂપિયાની આસપાસ.
And what is the last date? 18. Today 16 million.
10,000 રૂપિયા સાહેબ તો ભરાઈ દઉં બીજા 10,000 રૂપિયા આજે ફરિયાદીને આપી દઉં ચાલશે સાહેબ. 10,000
Pass a courses that instead of deposit, we have already paid money to the complainant. Right?
10 આપી દીધા. હા 2/5 આપ્યા.
And what is the remaining amount?
70 लाख
હા 70 બાય હા
आधी किला
હું એને પૂછી લઉં 10,000 કે તો 10,000 રૂપિયા આપી દેશે.
So basically,
હા ખાલી રિપોર્ટ આપી રાખો આ બપોર આપી દઉં એક્ઝેમ્પશન રિપોર્ટ અને પેમેન્ટનો રિપોર્ટ બંને પછી બપોર આપી દઉં સર.
but you pay the amount.
દી દી
And what is the deposit amount? So 10,000 may be paid directly to the complainant. And let the complainant give courses that we have received deposit amount 20,000 rupees. Right?
હા સર.
Okay. Do it. Next.
शशि रेखा
આ સાહેબ એમાં હું છું ફરિયાદી તરફે શું છે? બે સિરિયલ નંબર 3 અને 4.
Okay, only 1 minute. Just look at what is it? Accused. What is the deposit amount? Okay. Has he, has he paid it? Acha. So why she is not present? Who is the advocate? Both are absent.
ફરિયાદી નથી આવ્યા સાહેબ.
Okay. The accused is present. That is important.
શશી રેખા
Okay, write down that while calling out neither lawyer nor accused present.
હા, બે નતો.
Okay, we are waiting.
પ્રદીપ કુમાર ઈશ્વરભાઈ પારો પ્રદીપ પ્રદીપ ઉભારો પ્રદીપ ઉભારો
એમ લખી દો વાંધો નહીં. Okay. Acha, Vanabai, what was the promise of last date?
5,000 से बाजी बोले 48,000 में चेक सर
Okay.
शॉर्ट टर्म पूरा कर दें
Very.
5,000
Acha, what is the remaining amount, भैया?
48,000 सर 48
Acha, when will you pay remaining amount?
15-20 दाड़ा से
Okay.
लोक अदालत पे ना
Finish it off. Okay. Very. So depot 29th March. Next.
અજીતસિંહ ભગતસિંહ
Monday, Tuesday, program.
અજીતસિંહ ભગતસિંહ રાહુલ
પણ આજે જોઈ yesterday
આ નહીં
બનાવી દેવા.
બીજા કેસમાં
After my call. હું તમને
આરોપી નહીં આ બીજું આવો છે બીજા
પછી આપણે
બીજા
his board will be.
અજીતસિંહ પરબતસિંહ આ વિનોદભાઈ વાળા તો બીજા
So bhai, what is the status in this matter?
અજીતસિંહ ભગતસિંહ રાઠોડ તમે કઈ
એટલે આરોપી સાહેબ બીજા છે એ આવો છે
Acha, he is some VIP gentleman.
બીજા કેસમાં આયા છે પણ એમનું સેમ નામ હશે એટલા માટે આયા છે.
So by today, should I take him in the custody?
આ કંસ સમાધાન થઈ જાય છે.
ભગતસિંહ રાઠોડ
એટલે આરોપી આ તો બીજા કેસમાં આયેલા છે સેમ નામ છે એવું કેવું
જો બોલાવી દો
ના આવો છે સાહેબ સેમ નું આવો છે હવે આજે કરી દઈએ
Okay. Today you are completing.
સોની
Okay.
આવો એટલે બોલી દઈએ
Keep it as. Next.
સલીમ શાહ વિશુ શાહ
पति के साथ समाधान
Very good.
आपी दो सर
Very, very.
સલીમ શાહ
Ultimately, you have succeeded. Granted. Give it to that. Sure. Next page.
प्रकाश भाई कांतिभाई मीर
जी सर.
What is the progress? One.
रणजीत सिंह नाम से
ના સાહેબ ચર્ચા ચાલુ છે બિફોર લોક અદાલત કમ્પ્લીટેડ.
What was the promise last date? Jara just look at it. Acha, and today for
389.
Acha, so what was the date of filing of original complaint?
2023.
Original complaint.
8/6/2023.
Okay. And what is the why? At least 1 year.
જી સર.
1 year is completed.
જી સર.
Okay. What is the check amount?
1,25,000.
How much have you paid?
સર ચર્ચા ચાલુ છે. Hey,
So, we may do one thing. I am taking him in the custody. And from custody, he may keep debating, discussing, right? So today we are taking him in the custody. That will be better idea. And from jail, we'll allow him to get time for debate, discussion. Right?
અપીલ.
Who is the other side lawyer? We have?
સર તલોદના છે RH પંડ્યા.
Okay. Even he is coming.
એ સર વાત થઈ હતી ગઈકાલે.
હા.
એ કંઈક આવવાના હતા.
Okay. Let him come. And we are sending your client in the custody. Right? What is the check amount?
1,25,000 સર.
Okay. Chalo, next. Let him sit. Let Mr. Pandya come. Okay. Next. Right?
कांतिभाई गुंजाभाई
Very good. Very good.
કોર્ટમાં છે પતી ગયું સમાધાન થયું સમાધાન પૂછવા સહી થઈ ગઈ ફરિયાદીની.
Okay. Have you identified the
Yes, sir, I did.
signature of the?
યસ સર.
Okay. Okay. Granted. Granted. Next.
सीएस प्रजापति
જી સર.
How many days delay?
सेवा सरकारी
2 વર્ષ 28 દિવસ.
Okay.
અને સર કોમ્પ્રોમાઇઝિસ છે.
Then we'll allow.
जितेंद्र सिंह फतेह सिंह मकवाना जितेंद्र सिंह
ના આરોપી બહાર છે.
करण सिंह अमन सिंह करण सिंह
अच्छा.
हमारा શું નામ પૈસા વધી જાય હે તમારો પૈસા ક્યાં
RH પંડ્યા તલોદના.
Okay. અને compromise process is there.
સર મૂકી દઉં છું આજે.
Ajay. And call Mr. Pandya and give it. Right? Next.
ગુલાબભાઈ સોમાભાઈ નીલ લિસ્ટ ફાઇનાન્સ
સમાધાન થઈ ગયું બિપિનભાઈ છે પણ આયેલા બિપિનભાઈ છે સાથે હા આપી દીધી છે જી બોલે લો જી
Okay.
વિજયસિંહ હરિસિંહ વાઘેલા જાડેજા
We are declaring the judgment. Only one.
વિજયસિંહ હરિસિંહ વિજયભાઈ અશોકભાઈ અક્ષરભાઈ દશરથભાઈ અશોકભાઈ ભીખાભાઈ પ્રવીણભાઈ કોરાભાઈ આ એક નંબર દિયા
Judgment is ready. So we may sign. Copies here. Take all three copies. Take. Most probably in the chamber, the drawer. Anyway, one English stenographer and picture. English, no, is good. But so young boy, good, who can be fluent in language. Ram and Shyam both. They have spoiled my morning, I tell you. Okay, the another they are madmen, I tell you. Who is for number one? Mr. Jadeja. Who is for number two? Asha. Who is number three?
4 and 5 now. 1, 2, 3 Jadeja.
You are for 4 and 5.
Haji.
And you are for 1, 2, 3.
3.
Taking so much time. Copies are ready for accused. That copy to be given without signatures. હવે now we'll hear for sentence that how long they should go in a jail. In this આપણે we may do one thing.
એક નંબર ને એક ચારે ચારમાં કરી બે ત્રણ ને ચારમાં બે બી ને સી માં કરી
Not here. Go back.
છૂટી જાય છે
Go back.
બધા છૂટી જાય
Go to page number 153. 1 minute. Ma'am, this is 156.
રોમિંગ લાવે છે
Where is 153?
ડોમિનાજી પસંદ કરી ડોમિનાજી થાય છે રીતે એ તમારે હોય તો કરજો હોય તો લઈ
Go little bit down. Go down.
હા બે ગીચ
Go down.
બે ગીચ કરજો
Here, okay, next. In place of 5, new 5. Where this will be.
એક મૂકી દીધું
The active number
10 years
5 shells. 5 shells. Make available. Available. Surety to the tune of rupees. Rupees. 5,000. Under section. Okay, make available surety to the tune of 5,000 under section 437A of 437A of Code of Criminal Procedure and personal bond of like amount.
Okay.
Now adjust that page. For number 5, you will have to give that surety under 437A. Right? All are present. Let them sit. And for number 5, you are giving the bill. Okay. Last page. 153 only. Okay. So, but adjust it properly.
Now, inside the next.
Let me tell you, in your credit, you have done very good job. Both of you. You have done very, very hard work. And it was fantastic. Very good cross-examination. But unfortunately, if overwhelming evidence could be there, even I wanted to save the accused, but I could not save. God is doing everything. We are merely an instrument. I cannot do anything. Anybody cannot do anything. So after we'll have to remember Bhagavad Gita. Right? This page may be given.
That's again a
5,000.
5,000.
And 1 minute. After we may hear you on sentencing. That what sentence should be there. I think your client is number 4.
4 and 5.
So 5 is gone.
5 is gone.
Now only 4 remains. And 4 has been convicted under section 489B and C. Right? So on that point, you may address me. And your client, number 1, has been convicted under all sections. And 2 and 3 are convicted under B and C. So for that, you may address me. That what should be the sentence.
Okay.
And lastly, we'll hear this learned man. Learned people will always come lastly. Okay.
Number 5.
And we are providing all of you free free of charge copy.
હાજી સાહેબ, હાજી.
That is what our duty.
હાજી સાહેબ.
Where is the last page? Just. Acha, acha. Now what is it? No, no. Keep it up. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be.
હાજી સાહેબ.
Okay.
નંબર સાહેબ.
Yes.
આમાં સાહેબ આરોપી નંબર 1 ના પિતા સાહેબ ગુજરી ગયા છે. વિધવા માતા છે અને મોટા ભાઈ હતા એ ગુજરી ગયા સાહેબ. અમે એકલા જ છીએ સાહેબ. મોટા ભાઈનો સંતાનો, અમારો સંતાનો સાહેબ બધો ભાર સાહેબ કમાવાનો અમારા ઉપર છે સાહેબ. અને કુટુંબના એક જ કમાનાર સભ્ય છે સાહેબ. એટલે સાહેબ ઓછીમાં ઓછી સજા સાહેબ કરવા માટે સાહેબ મેં કરજો સાહેબ. અને 2 અને 3 નંબરમાં સાહેબ અમે બાલ બચ્ચા વાળા છે સાહેબ અને કમાનાર એક વ્યક્તિ છે સાહેબ. ના પ્રથમ વારનો ગુનો છે સાહેબ. સાહેબ મિનિમમ સાહેબ સજા કરવા માટે સાહેબ.
Why they have done like this? This is very dangerous.
હાજી સાહેબ થઈ ગયું છે સાહેબ.
Dangerous
હાજી
for
સાહેબ.
the society,
ઇકોનોમિક્સ
economy,
હાજી સાહેબ.
and very, very dangerous.
સાહેબ અમુક ભેગા થયા સાહેબ થઈ ગયું, એકવાર ભૂલ થઈ ગઈ સાહેબ. એટલે સાહેબ
Second time,
ના ના સાહેબ બીજી વાર સાહેબ કોઈ રિપીટ નહીં કરીએ સાહેબ. આ તો સાહેબ સંગતમાં પડી ગયા ને થઈ ગયું સાહેબ. લાલચ આવી ગઈ સાહેબ થોડી વાર માટે સાહેબ. ઓછામાં ઓછી સાહેબ સજા કરવા માટે સાહેબ દરવેશ સાહેબ.
so you just frankly tell me, who has given this idea to them? When I was dictating judgment,
હાજી.
I was shocked that who could have given this idea.
હા.
So far, Mr. Patel, call Mr. Patel. When I looked at this record, and as I gone deep, I could find that that could have been very great racket. Very, very great racket. But I think your IO deserves credit that he hasn't done anything. IO has not done anything. Otherwise, other people could have been there in the net. But from the record, I could see that IO has deliberately not done it. But unfortunately, I am in my life, I have never written anything for anybody. But still, I had to write 2 lines for that IO. This is not a small thing. This is, I think, great racket. Great racket. Of course, Mr. Jadeja is right that they are first timer.
હાજી સાહેબ. હાજી સાહેબ.
Why in everybody?
ગુનાનો દાયરો.
Yeah,
હાજી સાહેબ.
everything we should not be first timer.
હાજી સાહેબ.
First timer. This is dangerous thing.
હાજી સાહેબ.
To my mind, compared to this, other offenses are better.
હાજી. હાજી.
This is more
હા,
dangerous.
હાજી વાત સાચી
More
સાહેબ આપની. બીજા તો બોલવા જ નહીં.
Have seen of all of them. Yes, Mr. Patel, what is your argument?
Same arguments.
Acha. Oh, bhai, what is the age of number 4?
એ તો સાહેબ કેટલી ઉંમર તારી? 43, 42 years. All are same equal.
Okay, they must be friends. They must be friends. So they thought that let us go for becoming crorepati at one go. Eh? So, Acha, who are other person in the family who may take care of their children, wife?
બાળક કોણ છે? માતા પિતા છે તારા?
I may be given. I have got it. Got it.
3 children છે સાહેબ.
Acha, what are the age of those children?
તો એકને 10મા પરીક્ષા આવે, એક 8મા માં.
Okay.
અને મધર નથી, ફાધર મધર.
And what are the age of
વાઇફ
Mother, father.
ફાધર એકલા જ છે મધર
Okay. What is the age of father?
સિનિયર
65
years.
5 years. Very unfortunate father. Mr. Patel and Mr. Jadeja.
હાજી સાહેબ
Uh, first, let us talk to Mr. Patel.
હાજી
In 489B, it is life
or
or 10 years.
એટલે મેં લાઈફ પર 10 years જોયેલું છે
Okay.
પેલામાં 7 years or
And in C, it is only 7 years.
7 years.
Now they have improved or as they were.
હાજી સાહેબ
Say improvement is
હા
there.
સાહેબ નોકરી કરીએ છીએ તારે તો હાજી સાહેબ
And in your case, in 3 matters, life or 10
10 હાજી
years.
સાહેબ
10.
હાજી સાહેબ
Now let me hear Learned. What Learned says.
આ જે ગુના છે સાહેબ એ ભારતીય અર્થતંત્રને નુકસાન કરે એવા છે અને હમણાં લગભગ 4 દિવસ પહેલા જ પાછું એક બીજું એક આવું રેકેટ ગુજરાતની અંદર કોઈક જગ્યાએ પકડાયું છે ન્યૂઝપેપરની અંદર હતું એટલે સાહેબ અર્થતંત્રને બહુ મોટું નુકસાન થાય એવું છે અને સાહેબ એ સંજોગોની અંદર કાયદામાં જે જણાયેલી છે એ પૂરી સજા કરવા માટે છે.
What is the proportion of their action? Because as I recollect, number 1 has done everything. He had purchased the printer. He had produced the notes. He had passed over notes to 2 to 4. So we'll have to segregate role of both. Number 1 to be seen from a different angle, because his role is very, very large. Very large role is there. So for him, what do you propose? Because we'll have to put them in 2 classes. One could be the class in itself. 2 to 4 are different classes. Because from them, we have received currency notes only. But of course, with the knowledge that they were fake currency notes. Okay. So what do you say about these 2 classes? Because we can't compare gas and horse. Gas and horse can never be placed into the same pedestal. So what is your say about this?
એક નંબરે સાહેબ પૂરેપૂરી કરવી જોઈએ લાઈફ. બીજા જે છે આરોપી નંબર 2 થી 4 એ સાહેબ બી ને સી જોવા જઈએ તો એમાં સાહેબ લાઈફ તો છે જ.
In B, life is there. In C, I think 7 years.
હા પણ પેલામાં સાહેબ માનો કે લાઈફ ના એ થાય તો 10 years તો છે જ
You are right.
અને પેલામાં તો 7 years.
Okay. In C, it is only 7 years. Should we not give them one chance to improve in the life by imposing little less punishment?
નાના કોર્ટ ઉપર.
Okay. Anything else to be? So I may dictate it right. So we just call that stenographer. Why they have run away? Stenographer, why they have run away? They should have said over here. They should have not gone without my permission. Just call them immediately. I go, Mr. Patel, originally what were their professions? What they were doing? They were serving somewhere, or they were doing business, or what they were doing? All 1 to 4.
1 to 4 હવે સાહેબ કઈ રીતે સંપર્કમાં આવ્યો તો
નહીં, what business they were doing?
એ મારો આ 4 નંબર છે સાહેબ, એ તો ડ્રાઈવર ડ્રાઇવિંગ.
So as a driver,
હા,
okay. And
Ek-
1, 2, 3.
1 નંબર સાહેબ બાઇક સિઝન રિકવરી ને એ બધું કરે છે ફાઇનાન્સમાં.
Ajay, he is in a finance.
હાજી સાહેબ. 2 નંબર છે ફૂલનો વેપારી સાહેબ. ગાડીઓ છે ને ગામ લગ્નમાં અને પૂજામાં ને બધો ફૂલ સપ્લાય કરે છે સાહેબ.
Who has given them this idea?
અને 3 નંબર છે સાહેબ કથારી ઓર પંડિત ને બધું કરે છે.
But,
કર્મકાંડ કરે
who
છે.
has given them this great idea?
એ સાહેબ
Let us
હવે
go
idea
and
કઈ રીતે આવ્યો ને એ રીતે મળ્યા એ તો સાહેબ ન ખબર.
sentencing part.
2000 ના હવે પછી નોટબંધી તો બોર્ડમાં કરીએ ને. ના કેન્ડલ એવું નહીં.
The learned advocate for the accused number 1, 2, 3 have, sorry, has submitted that the present accused are the only breadwinner of the, it is there, only breadwinners of the families, okay, of their families, comma, okay, one family consisting of themselves and their small kids, comma, that they are coming from a very lower strata of the society, comma, that by way of some bad influence, bad influence, comma, the present accused have been entered into such thing without knowing seriousness and harm that could be was to the society at large in general and economy in particular, comma, that their absence of knowledge, PHEIR, their absence of knowledge about the seriousness of the offense or its consequences led them to them to commit such crimes, comma, that entire jurisprudence of conviction and sentencing is operating on the basis of intention and knowledge of the accused here in respect of the consequences of such actions on their part, such actions on their part, comma, that handing down punishment to the accused hearing would in fact sentence to the family and their kids only. Comma, that leniency in sentence would leniency NICY, just put it will come. That leniency in sentence shall make available them opportunity to become good citizen of India, and they may be asset to the society, comma, that harsher conviction, harsher शब्द आवडे का harsher, yeah, harsher, it was right, yeah, just we have to add yeah, harsher, yeah, harsher, sentencing, mean, 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 in will not come, mean, spoiling of their families, comma, kids, and their future as well. In that backdrop, and in that backdrop is the one word. Backdrop, comma, for the purpose of reforming the accused hearing, comma, the least sentence, list sentence may be imposed. Okay, learned advocate for the accused number 4 would urge before the court. Accused number, sorry, would urge before the court. That all convicts, CTS convicts have no antecedent, antecedent. Okay, just put it in the top. If we say good stenographer is not there, we can take dictation properly. Okay, just put it in the top. You do not know basic things. S will not come, C will come, antecedent. E. No, S will never come. In which school you have studied? So put it, it will come. ANTC CE I will just antecedents. Okay. Convince of no antecedents. 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 Nor have they been been obdurate obdurate. This boy has not heard anything. Obdurate obdurate, nor have they been obdurate criminals who are requiring harsh and strong punishment, and therefore they may kindly be let off, OWL, let off by imposing least punishment. LEST, least punishment. LEST, least punishment. Full stop. Just remove this and go to sub paragraph. Okay. Per contra, the learned additional public prosecutor has put forward his submitting that convicts herein have committed very serious offense. Write down 2 times. Very serious offenses under section 489A, section 489B, section 489C, and section 489D of the Indian Penal Code, comma, that the nature of offense is such that it would ruin, ruin, ruin. He will not come. Now, ruin entire economic fabric of the society and economy as a whole. Whole, WHA, comma, that the present offenses will not impact some private individual, comma, but it would go to the root of entire national economy, which could be dangerous for economic progress of the country, and consequently, comma, all the convicts be dealt with very harshly, very harshly, so as to set an example, set an example in the society, and a person would think twice before committing any such offense. Full stop. Okay, go down. Remove this. Okay. Considering the aforesaid arguments and regarding as to the middle age, their family responsibilities, no criminal antecedent or backgrounds, only breadwinners of the family, and this particular case does not fall within the category of the case where court can venture into what can venture into, think about, think about, think about, uh, avoiding, avoiding highest punishment, punishment of the office. Okay, full stop. While imposing the sentence, comma, the court is duty bound to keep in focus three principles, namely semicolon one, Roman one, semicolon. You do not into bracket one, propensity. F will not come. P will come. PROP. I cannot get angry with you even. कोई good stenographer is not there. PROPEN. I will just put it, it will come. Second, potentiality, meaning thereby, the act must be commensurate. The punishment must be commensurate with the act. Remove this. The punishment must be commensurate with the action, comma, to Roman 2, not 2. The impact of the punishment on the convict and his family members. And third, aggravating and mitigating circumstances. Mitigating circumstances. Just correct it. Aggravating and mitigating circumstances. Mitigating circumstances. Good stop. Let us assess each and every factor in the present case. Full stop. This case requires to be divided into two parts. Semicolon number one. Qua the convict number one, and two in respect of two in respect of other co-accused. Sorry, other co-convict. Okay, co-convict. Full stop. Coming to the subpara may be done from here. Go for subpara. Coming to the first convict, comma, his role is like a omnipotent and omniscience. Meaning thereby his role begins from acquiring an instrument in the form of printer, comma, of course, multifunctional dimensions, and ivory papers Ivory paper. Ivory papers. IVORY. Ivory papers. Ivory papers. Okay, and ivory papers. And extend to every aspect of the offenses. Offenses. Full stop. As against this, the role of accused convict number 224, 224, limited to the extent of having counterfeit currency notes, notes with full knowledge and intention to use them as genuine one. Genuine one. Full stop. Full stop. Full stop. Of course, both the OFs, URS, of course, the role of both the sets of convicts, are very, very serious. Still, however, the academic and pragmatic distinction, not pragmatic, pragmatic distinction, can be made between them. So, at the same time, court will have to constantly keep into focus one aspect that all convicts are playing with the help of national economy. National economy. Full stop. Apparently, serious act assumes more seriousness when delving deep into delving deep into the matter. The velocity of currency notes are very high. Comma, the currency notes are exchanging the hands so fast that till it's being detected or discovered to be counterfeit one, comma, it would have caused tremendous economic damage to the economy. Full stop. Economy, not economy. I think this word seems to be favorite of you. Economy, not economy. Economy. Full stop. Consideration of the role of convict number 1 and co-convicts from that angle, comma, it, pros, the, pros, more light, LIGHT, more light on the, on the, on the damage the and seriousness thereof. Moreover, the court cannot lose sight of the fact, lose sight of the fact, as a sight of the fact that all the accused are, sorry, all the convicts are not immature. Which school you have studied? Okay, that all are mechanics. All the convicts are not immature, immature, of, or of adolescent, ADUDOLEXCE. LENCE. E. I think you are not reading at all. After just read news, Times of India, you read English language. You are very poor in the language. Very, very poor. You should not have been seated over here. Of immature or of adolescence. On one hand, comma, but on the other, comma, it is question of national or economic or financial health of the economy. Also, under the favorable and unfavorable, comma, mitigating and aggravating circumstances in the present case, comma, the purpose of justice shall be well served, if, comma, if the quantum of sentences be imposed as per the operative order. Okay, good. Now come, remove all this. Remove. Okay. Remove this. Okay. Our name has been written. His sentence. Okay. Under section 255 into bracket 2 of 4 of criminal procedure, the accused by name. You just first write down what is the name of first accused? Eugene. Yes, that you have to write in English. And don't commit any mistake in this, otherwise there will be difficulty. Check once again and then only give. What is the residence of that accused? No. So by telling to do the name of the accused, right? And we may go by one punishment. And write down is He just copy. Yeah. In the morning, we should have done. At this, yeah, remove this. Go forward. Go forward. No, not remove this presently lodging in the jail. Remove it. There is no common sense. Okay, is hey, it is there. Is sentence under section 489 dares capital A, A, A of Indian Penal Code to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 7 years, 7 years, 7 years, as well as fine to the tune of rupees. Is a poor man भैया or
बड़ा गरीब है
okay,
हाँ जी साहब
1,000 rupees, sir. In default of payment of fine, the said convicts shall undergo further simple imprisonment for 30 days. Copy transaction. Check. Okay. Under section 489B. 489, that's B. Okay. Okay, go forward. The accused by name, accused name must be put in a bold, right? But then you do it. Same resident under section. Okay. You may do one thing, address may be written later on. Let me complete my job, right? But you just remove any other thing, like you may keep in mind. Resident or okay, remove it. He is sentenced to undergo 7 years. 7 years. B. 7 years. Fine one. Okay. Copy third. Same copy. Why you have intelligence or no intelligence? Copy same thing. He doesn't have common sense even for copying. So why every time you are writing the address? You are copying everything. Only you will have to change the section. Why you are sitting with me? By who has brought it? It was my error that I have brought him over here. You are writing other accused name. Do we have any sense? So just get out from here. You just say, we are talking about only accused number 1. Arey bhai, you will have to copy only accused number 1. You do not have sense even. Who has made you stenographer? Copy, so bhai, just copy from first. Don't be fool like him. Copy from the first. Here you have written everything. Copy from first. 2 number same thing is there or he has changed it? Oh my God, I am dealing with absolutely foolish people. Just show me, I don't have everything I'll have to look at. Show me number 2. Show me. under so and so the accused, go down by name. Acha, number one is there. Vijay bhai. So why you have done this rascal Vidya? Oh boy, immediately he must be transferred somewhere. He should not be in the district court. He does not know basic thing about anything. Okay. In first, you are not given address. So bring everything from there. Why are you?
I put address on first paragraph.
Have that first paragraph. You are committing the same mistake which he is doing. He is a fool of first order. And don't copy, take entire paragraph. And start it from second. Why this both fool people are over here? Why they are here with me? Code of criminal. What is his name? I will go down. 489B. Right, it is okay. That is also okay. Now copy this once again. He is such a fool person. Now go for C. 489C. Same accuser, don't change the name. Same. C. 3 years. 3 years. Same 1000. Okay, copy this once again. Okay. D. Copy undergo rigor 7 years. Same fine. Chalo. Okay. This is over. I will now copy one this. High number. Put it here. I will now change the name of the accused number 2. Over it is. Write down the address. Only in one write down, but then copy. Originally permanent resident. Resident so and so so. 489 B. He is accused number 2. Okay. 489 B. 4 years. Need 4 years. Okay. Now, same time. I'll copy it. C. 3 years. 3 years. Okay. Same. Chalo, now copy and I come to accused number 3. So why D will not come? D will not come in this. I once again accused number 3. What is the name of accused number 3? Right. Write down there. Over. Okay. C. 3 years. Fine will be the same. So now, accused number 4. 4 will come out. Okay, so go for accused number 4. Okay, B. 489 B. B. 4 years. Okay, same. Chalo, copy this. C. Okay. Other will remain the same. Okay, C में 3 years. 3 years. Okay. Now, once again, all accused are over. 4 up to 5 has already been acquitted. Right? So 4 have been, I will just show me everything once again, because I cannot rely upon both of you. Okay, I will just hold it. Okay. First A, right? Okay. 7 years. Okay. Chalo now. Go. That you do afterwards. Let me check it. Okay. This is second. B. First accused. B. Bold it. 7. B. Okay. 7. Okay. Then first accused. C. Okay.
First accused. B.
Ah.
7 years.
Okay. Then accused number 2.
Accused number 2.
2. B.
B. 4 years.
Okay. Accused number B. 2. Same accused, right?
Second accused.
C. 3 years. Okay.
Accused number 3.
Right.
Seven. C.
Ah.
3 years.
Very good.
Accused number 4.
Hey, what about B? Of accused number.
3 number accept.
Then where is the B? B is not there. So first will be the B and then it will be C. Look, I knew that you will come in mistake. B, 4 years. That you first one to be bring down. First it will be, then it will be C.
Yes, sir. I can.
Okay.
First, even accept, first B, and then C.
And what is the punishment in B?
C to 3 years.
No, B.
B to 4 years.
Oh, chalo, now Akshay is over. Then who is next? So, okay. B is there.
B is here.
Okay.
Only B.
Okay.
4
4 is there. Okay. Chalo, C, Akshay by C.
Accept, yes. C, 3 years.
Okay. Okay, Akshay by C. Akshay is accused number 4.
Yes, sir. No.
So what about 4? Yeah, where is it?
Four.
Ah.
489 C. 3 years.
No, first it will come B. Where is the B?
B.
4 years. Okay. And C?
3 years.
Okay. Okay. All 4 have been covered. Okay, to be under control. Okay, go down. So wait, what is the Muddamal in this? Just look at the Muddamal. Once again check. Accused number 1, A, B, C, D. Accused number, right. Then give me copy. Accused number 1, A, B, C, D, right? Accused number 2, B and C. Accused number 3, B and C. Accused number 4, B and C. Up to 4 accused, tally properly on the record. Yes, sir. Mr. Patel, I have gone for minimum, whatever I can do. Accused number 1, 7 years, maximum. In other 3, 4, 3, but then concurrently it will go on. So for accused number 1, 7 years, accused number 2, 3, and 4, 4 years. Right? This fake currency notes to be deposited in the reserve bank of India. Right? And they may destroy. Because we cannot destroy any currency. We can pass order of destroy. Let us send it to reserve bank of India, they will destroy. Okay. એના માટે આપણે will say that the learned chief judicial magistrate shall hold inquiry, right? For ivory papers and printer. એટલે there. પણ આપણે we are not taking any decision. Let the learned chief judicial magistrate may decide in inquiry. Okay. So, may not remove. Don't remove anything without us. Okay, Muddamal article number. What are the fake currency notes? What is the Muddamal article number? Give me just article number. And article number 2. Okay, article number 3. Okay, article number 4. Okay, article number 5. Okay, one. Right. Muddamal article number 1 to 4. 1 to 4. 4. The fake currency notes. What is the then Muddamal property number or something? Okay, we'll just give article number. Okay. Muddamal article number 1 to 4. The fake currency note shall be transmitted to the Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India. For my Ahmedabad branch. For doing needful in terms of rules of okay, rules and regulations operating in this regard. Okay. The article number 5 is the printer. Okay. 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 The learned chief judicial magistrate shall hold inquiry in respect of article number 6 and 7 ivory paper Okay. Printer bill can never be centrally done. Okay. Article number. Phi is the only valuable thing I think. Ivory papers are. What is the value of paper? For 5 we may tell the magistrate. And what is yes, and what is the value of those papers? Then it may be destroyed. Okay, the respect of article number 5. What is the name? Xerox color printer. 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 And and decide on merits. Merit. Merit. The learned civil will inquiry in respect of article number 5, Xerox color printer. 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 As per color Xerox na printer. Color Xerox na printer. Color Xerox na printer. Color Xerox. Not printer, not printer. Not printer. As per the law, rules, rules. Yeah, rules are they always are to be capital. Learn it. Right? And regulations. Operating in this field. Of field. Okay. So remove this 14 number. Okay, we'll do. Then come next. What is the next article? So by it is in the same earlier issue. So we will just look at 8 number as well. 8 number. No, 1 to 4 and 8. Article 1 to 4. After 8, anything is there? Okay. And what is the article number that ivory paper? Okay. So I just put where is it? Just go back. Just go down. Go down. Go here. The article number. Next. Okay. The article number 6. Okay. Okay. 6. Ivory papers shall be destroyed. Shall be destroyed. Destroyed after the period of preferring appeal. Preferring appeal. Appeal. Remove it. Okay. To the convict hearing immediately. Here there are 2. All the convicts. All the convicts. Yes. Immediately. The copy of the judge. Okay. The order is pronounced. Today's date is then. Today what is the date? 16 May. Okay. I will just go little bit back. Today what is the date? We are 16. Okay, go back. 1 minute. Come to Mudda Pampadi. Go down. Slowly by the Muddamal article number 1 to 4 and 8 notes. Go down. Self rules and regulations. There are added after the expiry of last line, after the expiry of and every year will after the expiry of period for preferring the appeal. Preferring the appeal. The same thing to be put here also. हाँ. Same thing will be there also. Ivory spelling is wrong, so correct it. Shall be destroyed after. Okay. It is there. Preferring. Unfortunately, no good stenographers are here. This is what the position of district court. So what will happen to other courts?
चांदा वाला सब्जी के बाद गुलाम हुसैन चांदा वाला सब्जी के बाद चांदा वाला सबसे देखो ना हम ये
Why other two judgments are there? Okay, but they are ready so that they may be. Other two judgments are there. Who is there? God knows. Ready? Okay.
रिकॉग्नाइजेशन का दीपक के घर पे आया था दीपक पे साथी था कैसा पे बोला क्या तुमने पोपट सिंह जवान सिंह चौहान पोपट सिंह जवान सिंह चौहान
Okay.
ठीक है एमजी पटेल
Why both of you are lucky, huh? Now I am feeling good. In signing this judgment, I am feeling good. Eh? Chalo. First judgment was very tough for me to sign, but here I can peacefully sign it.
जसवंत सिंह केसरी से जसवंत सिंह केसरी से
Mr. Patel, tell them that God has saved them. Now next time they should live peacefully. Otherwise they will be in danger. So this matter is that you wanted to have justice. That okay. You got justice. But you were absolutely right. He was right. Justice must be made to everybody. Yeah. So 5,000 surety, both parties. Madam, you are there?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah,
Time. There is time.
granted. In that matter, Mr. Shah, in that matter for now, accused number 5, they'll have to give that surety under 437 of CRPC. Who is there in other matters?
BS Parmar.
Yes, Kumar.
Oh, that great hero. Today hero is engaged where? Somewhere. Acha, acha, acha. I thought that he must have gone in some marriage. Lucky man.
લગભગ પૂરી થઈ જવા આવી છે એમને.
Acha, acha. Mr. Shah, this IO needs to learn lot of lessons. Even for the purpose of holding this, I had to say 2 sentences for IO in a very, very mild language, because in my life, I have never criticized anybody. So I thought that at the fag end of my career, I should not, make any comment on anybody. But you may convey orally that court has taken all mental note of his action.
બને તો એમને કોપી પકડે કારણ કે NDPS માં આવવાના છે પાછું.
But just bring him over here. Does he understand English? So you just convey that message in the Gujarati that look, he may be escaped the punishment of this world, but that is very dangerous. From there nobody can escape. Nobody. Because in this judgment I could apparently see that what he has done, it is dangerous. Okay. Yeah. Board is over. Okay. And in that case, take scene of Mr. Shah, Mr. Patel, and Mr. Mr. what is his name? Jadeja. Mr. Jadeja. Sure, next.
ઇબ્રાહિમિયા ઉર્ફે દાની. સૈયદ મંજુલ્લા ખાન મોહમ્મદ ખાન.
કોમ્પ્રોમાઇઝ થઈ ગયું સાહેબ.
Very good. So today we may.
કમ્પ્લેન્ટ આયા છે.
Very good. So we'll record his debate.
The need to do it on behalf of the accused Mr. Ijit Chawla
Acha.
was not able to come before your court.
Right.
Because
Exempted.
he gave me transfer proxy purchase leaving there.
Okay. Ama, that it is
Compromise.
right. Hostile man.
મોહમ્મદ ખાન સાદી ખાન.
Okay. So you be here. We'll examine the witnesses.
Mr. DV Cat.
Mr. Khair will help you. He will help you.
મોહમ્મદ ખાન આયા. મંજુલ્લા ખાન આયા. મંજુલ્લા ખાન આયા.
અને ફાધર સાહેબ છે ફરિયાદીના ફાધર ને હાર્ટ નો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે.
So we'll take first.
ના એટલે એ આજે નથી આયા.
Okay.
He is not able to come.
Okay, just don't worry.
Sabha
Next.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
He hears the witness, yes.
Okay, if hearsay could be there,
હા એ
then the
પછી તો
complainant may say that is a bad return and not able to come over here.
Yes.
Right? Okay. 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 Next.
ગોપાલભાઈ બાબુભાઈ ગોપાલભાઈ બાબુભાઈ
Okay. That discharge application.
હા ડિસ્ચાર્જ એપ્લિકેશન 307 છે
Okay.
ડિસ્ચાર્જ માટેની છે
Let me be open with you. It is a foregone conclusion that it will be rejected. Now choice is yours. If you want to proceed with, I'll hear you.
હા તો
If you want to withdraw, you may withdraw.
એટલે
Yeah, choice is yours.
હા
Choice is.
સર રિક્વેસ્ટ છે એક ડેટ આપો તો પછી હું
Okay. Give him one. And in the meanwhile, better course would be go for. I can't speak from here. You are very wise man, right? Go for what is good for your accused. Go for.
હાજી હાજી
સીન કરો સીડી
ટ્રાયલ સર
Okay. Chalo, भैया next.
એક સર સીસીટીવી ફૂટેજ છે
Acha.
પડોશીના ઘર
Okay, okay.
એ સાહેબ હું રજૂ કરું
મારે આપજો ને કોપી મારે જોવી પડશે
एक CD में भी. You are duty bow.
પેન ડ્રાઈવ હોય તો હું લઈ દેવડાવું પેન ડ્રાઈવમાં કોપી મારી
Tell police will give one CD.
પેન ડ્રાઈવ હોય તો પછી સીધી કોપી મારી દે
Ah, very good. Whatever he wants.
હું એડવાન્સમાં જોઈ લ્યો તો મને ખબર પડે
No, no, look.
તો મંગાવી લેવડાવું સીડી કે
ચલો.
કોપી કરી લેવડાવું
Next.
હું સાહેબ એમને કોપી આલીને પછી રજૂ કરું
Okay.
રાખો
Hmm.
કેમ? એ સાહેબ દેખાય નથી કઈ એમનો ફોન આવ્યો તો કહેવાય એક જણને જોડે
Okay. Whatever it may be, you just look at it.
હા તો સાહેબ હું અરજી આપી દઉં છું
Okay. Next, भैया. Let me get rest for 2 minutes. Mr. Sir.